students of class 10. In this video, I will continue 2019 Madhyamik part. That is the part up to we had done is for 3 marks question. In this video, I will discuss the 5 marks answer and the map pointing. The first is you will get 4 questions from physical geography. You have to attempt 2 and 4 questions from regional geography, where also you have to attempt 2, that is 5 into 2 10 plus 5 into 2 10, that is 20 marks. So first is 5 marks question. First one, describe the sketches the major landform produced by erosional work of river. So here what you have to write for 5 marks? First, the introduction. Introduction means what is river? River is a channel of running water. River rises from the mountain, which is called the source, and finally it descends towards the plain and empties the river where it forms delta. So this will be the introduction, and then the landforms, the erosional landforms formed by river are as follows. First bullet, suppose you will write waterfall. You have to discuss waterfall. Then you will write V-shaped valley, discuss V-shaped valley, and you will write potholes, discuss potholes. After completion of each discussion, you have to draw diagram. Okay. So first, in bold letter you will write waterfall in black pen. Write description of waterfall. Then one box you draw the diagram. Along with the discussion, you write the example of waterfall. Then gorge or V-shaped valley, example, Indus gorge in Kashmir. Then one box where you will draw the diagram. And next, the potholes. Here also same diagram, discussion and diagram. And one line conclusion you can write that these erosional landforms are formed in the upper course of a river, and because of the river was very turbulent in the upper course, the river formed this type of activities. Then number 2, explain the factors responsible for the formation of equatorial low pressure belt and polar high pressure belt. So you know that there are 7 pressure belts. Here you have to discuss equatorial low pressure belt. First, what? Introduction. Introduction means what is pressure belt. Then there are 7 pressure belts. One by one write down the names and boldly write equatorial low pressure belt. Equatorial low pressure belt, the area 0 to 5 degree north and south, and the causes. You know it in your book, it is given. The causes, it is called doldrum, ITCZ, that part you have to write. And polar high pressure belt in the top, in the region, and why high pressure is formed here, why low pressure, in this way you have to write. And one diagram, that is the circle diagram along with the arrow lines of showing the wind direction. Next, occurrence of orographic rainfall with suitable diagram. Orographic rainfall, first again introduction, definition of rainfall. Rainfall are of 3 types: convectional rainfall, orographic rainfall and relief rainfall. You will discuss convectional rainfall, example and one diagram. Clear? For 5 marks, diagram is compulsory. Next, causes responsible for the development of high tide and ebb, that is high tide and low tide. Discussion, that is 2 points. Define high tide. The alternate rise and fall of the ocean water is called tide. Tide are of 2. The causes of formation of tide are as follows. Then in this way you have to write. Then the regional part. Difference between physical characteristics of North and South Indian river. Direct column, physical North Indian river, South Indian river. You have to write 6 points along with example. 6 points along with example. No introduction is needed because you are writing in column form. Then alluvial soil and black soil. Okay. What is soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. Soil are of following 5 types in India. Then alluvial soil. Alluvial soil where found. First point you will write where found. Second point characteristics. Third point the crops grown. Okay. Similarly in like black soil, where formed, where you will found characteristics and the crops grown. And or map of India or a part of map of India showing the black soil region and alluvial soil region. This is good. It carries marks. Map of India, I told you in the class that practice drawing map of India where you will show black soil region and alluvial soil region. Okay. Next, favorable condition required for wheat cultivation. Similarly, introduction, all the factors point wise in black and blue pen, and one map showing the wheat cultivation region. You can mark Punjab, Haryana, this region. And next part, importance of transport system in India, though not done in your class, online classes, but still you have to write importance. Why transportation is important means at least 6 points. When we will discuss the chapter, we will discuss. Now, the next part of our video is the map pointing of the same year. That is 2019 map pointing. See, focus. First is the Vindhyas. Point 1 is Vindhyas. See, it is written Vindhyas. Then Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake. Then river Mahanadi in Orissa, river Mahanadi. Then one rain shadow region, this part. The western part of Western Ghat is the rain shadow region. One mangrove forest regions. This part is mangrove forest. See, Sundarban region is mangrove forest. Now desert soil, that is Rajasthan. This is the desert soil region. Next, one sugarcane producing region. This part Uttar Pradesh, sugarcane. See, in the indexed I had marked sugarcane producing region of North India. Okay. One heavy engineering. This is the heavy engineering in Jharkhand, heavy engineering in Eastern India. And last of all, Mumbai, a mega city in West India. See, a mega city in Western India is Mumbai. So 10 map pointing done. So listen student, in this video you will also get this part, that is 5 marks question and a map pointing attached with the video in PDF form. Please write down the answers, 5 marks answers, and do the map pointing in your classwork copy and submit the classwork copy in school. And listen, as your second unit test means online examination in the chapter second unit test is coming. So prepare the lessons for properly. You already announced regarding your online classes and chapters. Which chapters are there? Waste management is there, hydrosphere is there, and soil. India from soil to agriculture is there. Okay, soil to agriculture along with map pointing. So be serious, study hard, because 50 marks exam, and this exam means you have to secure pass mark in this examination. Thank you.